Hello and welcome back to my channel.
Rock and roll rider.
Today's vlog is special. Today we are here at Gearbox Customs, the inauguration of a brand new riding store in Tanisandra. Situated right on the Tanisandra main road opposite the Monarch apartment. It is being started by a fellow off-road hunter, Mr. Rafi. This isn't a sponsored video whatsoever, but more like a promotional video wishing our fellow off-road hunter all the best. Happy birthday. All the best, all the best, all the best. As you guys know, I'm losing a lot of hair and I wear a lot of caps nowadays. But sadly, I don't have a cap today. But why not? We have caps at Gearbox Customs. I have already selected which cap I want, so come let's see which cap that is. Ta-da-da. Inauguration, first product at Gearbox Systems. Yes.
Congratulations, brother.
I hope you like my brand new cap. So even if you don't want to buy riding gear and just want to come buy caps, Gearbox Customs has caps as well. Let's go explore the variety of caps he has. I'll start from around 500, and by the way, if you come through my reference, Mr. Rafi will give you a very good discount that I can really guarantee about. Yeah, where was I? We do have a wide variety of caps, and apart from that, of course, we do have some good old off-roading gloves, Fox of different colors. They don't offer any protection as such. I do already own one pair of red color Fox gloves, but your POVs now look kick-ass. And of course, it's gonna protect you from all sorts of thorns and bushes while you are trading hard. It was a very successful inauguration ceremony of Gearbox Customs, but now it's time for me to do some shopping. I've been eyeing these glasses for a very long time. This is from the brand 100%. So to check out this thing, I'm using this as a test helmet. Sadly, I wish I could have bought this first and then this, but for now budget constraints, so I'm buying only this. So this is the box which the glass comes in with, and let's see what now comes inside. There is kind of a almost dummy visor with it. I think so. It's just for I don't know what purpose this is. A cloth to clean my visor, whatever this thing is, and big as will this fit it? Yeah. And by the way, he has 100% other glasses as well. See, check out this. This is like completely yellow color, and for cheaper ones, there's 100% this. more glasses from 100%, and he has a brand from the Fox as well. So you can come check out the glasses. But anyway, I'm gonna pick this up for myself. Apart from the 100% glass, 100% goggles, I picked up a few more products. My favorite TRM Caladat red chain loop, green solvent again from the brand TRM Caladat, and of course a brush. Also, I will come here one day with like a budget video saying if I have around 1000 rupees budget, and I'll be able to come pick up some cool stuff from here. So that video will be out very soon, and the product video as well. There is a lot of stuff to cover here, and today in the introduction video I won't be able to show you everything. Looking forward to making that video in the days to come. So that's it, folks. It's a wrap for the day from Gearbox Customs. I actually bought a lot of other couple of stuff, but overall it was a very eventful day. I'm gonna repeat the same thing again and again that you guys know by now. Anyways, please do pay Gearbox Customs a visit, and until the next video, bye bye.